We're not in Florida. Maybe, yeah.
Dude, the mines are gonna be epic.
But something that is very nice about this building is that first, it's the one most well preserved inside the archaeological site. You can see all the modelings are stucco made and they are original. Okay, it was found